Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we are out in another kind of cloudy-ish day. We're working on the house, and at this point I'm going to be working on the front porch, the steps, and the sidewalk leading to a drive. So why do I do that on every house wash? Well, there's a couple of reasons. Number one, we get a lot of people that like to sell or are going to be selling in this market. So that makes the house look better, gives it more curb appeal. Number two, if they have a gravel driveway, it completes the job. There's nothing else they need to call us out for because we've done all the concrete in all the house. But it can also be a safety issue. If you have slick mold and mildew on your front porch and your driveway and your steps, somebody come in and slip and fall, and you don't want to be sued for that. So that's just a few of the reasons why we include this in our house wash. Every house wash gets front porch, steps, sidewalk, among other things done. So I'm going to let you watch as I clean this sidewalk. I'm going to pre-treat with something to help kill the mold or mildew. I'm going to edge, I'm going to scrub, I'm going to rinse, I'm going to post-treat, and we do this with every job. Join me.